Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make giant Yardzee lawn dice. For this easy DIY project, you'll need some 4x4 post. Start by setting up a stop block at 3.5 inches. Because 4x4 posts are actually 3.5 by 3.5, this will allow you to cut perfect cubes. I'm using cedar simply because untreated pine 4x4s aren't usually readily available. Repeat the cuts until you have 5 blocks. I made a template for the dice that you can download free on my website. I'll leave a link in the description down below. You'll also find a free printable scorecard. Once you've cut out all the templates and folded the edges, simply wrap the cube to form the dice. Next you can use a scratch awl, or a punch, or even a nail head to punch a hole through the center of each circle, marked by a white dot. Use a Forstner bit to drill the dots. I'm using 5/8, but any size will do. I'll simply line up the brad point from the bit with each of the holes. I'm using my drill press, but you could use a hand drill just as well. I make sure to turn off the drill between each hole so I can perfectly line up the next one, and use my depth stop so I'll only drill down about 1/4 of an inch. Before sanding, I'm painting the holes with some black acrylic paint. Careful not to go over too much, since the raw wood will suck up the paint into the grain. After letting it dry, I sanded down all the faces with my benchtop sander, but you could just as easily use an orbital sander. I also made sure to round over all the cut edges so the cubes were evenly rounded on all sides. To finish them off, I'm using some outdoor spray-on varnish, and I applied 2 coats. Don't forget to head on over to my website for the free template and printable scorecards. And if you want, subscribe to my channel for more DIY videos. Thanks for watching, see you next time!